Happy birthday, butt faces. Enjoy year 23. I asked a bunch of your friends. Yes, I stalked your Instagrams and picked some most recent or recognizable people. And hopefully you guys don't have any drama or anything. And asked a bunch of other people that I know to say a little happy birthday to you guys. Hope you like it.
真欢喜恁两个无平无安，今仔日会当合恁做伙庆祝恁的生日。因为虽讲即个时间真奇怪，因为通常恁的生日咱拢无做伙，真正即届足欢喜恁伫个厝诶。虽然是一个关咧厝诶感觉，毋过真正非常欢喜。毋过伫即时阵，妈妈要祝福恁，啥物所在拢有平安伫恁的心内底。
过去4冬恁拢伫大学，拢无伫厝里，就会因为安尼，即个疫情，恁会当伫厝里，斗做工课，伫遮过生日，真特别，嘛看到讲平安真正是重要，亲像恁的命共款，愿上帝祝福恁，继续走咱恁头前的路，生日快乐
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Andy.
Hey, Andy, I hope you have an awesome day in quarantine, and I'm proud of you and I love you. Happy birthday, Andy! Happy birthday, Andy!
Happy birthday, Andy!
Bye.
Happy birthday, Peter and Andy. Love you so much. And I hope you have the best day. Thanks for being my friends for like 7 years now. Love you guys.
Yo, what's good, Peter? Happy birthday from your brother from another mother, CB5. I hope you're having a good day, homie. Bless up.
Happy birthday, Andy and Peter. I hope you guys had a great birthday. Andy, I miss you so much, and I hope we get to spend the next one together. Hope you guys had a great day.
Hello，木平木安，生日快乐！你们现在到底几岁了呢？我真的不知道，但是很开心可以这样祝你们生日快乐。然后我想要对你们说，就是我为你们生日有零售一些经文和画面。那首先是木平，就是我觉得我在为你祷告的时候，我很像看见你正在往上爬。很努力的往上爬，然后最后爬到顶端的时候，竟然是一个溜滑梯，然后你就要溜下去，然后很快乐。我觉得很像有时候你在努力某些事情的时候，你是非常认真的在往前走或往上走的，但是上帝要提醒你是要享受这一切，不要太操心啊，或是担忧，或是投入这个事情的时候让你觉得很疲惫，这样上帝要你常常喜乐。所以我就听到这个经文是腓立比书4章4节，他说你们要靠主常常喜乐。我在说你们要喜乐，就喜乐不是一个环境可以决定的，而是你要选择，你要喜乐，而且要靠着耶稣。所以当你亲近神的时候，神就要将这个很大的喜乐赐给木平。然后木安的话，我就在为你祷告说，我觉得我好像看见你好像很认真的在做某件事情，可能你现在有你要做的事情，然后我看着你有发带，就是很像把头发绑着，再把头发就是用好，因为你要认真做这件事情。然后我就特别有一个领受是，就突然就感受神像要提醒你要穿戴属灵的军装。对，然后就在以弗所书6章10节这附近，好，就是他就说，我们并不是与属血气的征战，乃是与那些执政的、掌权的、管辖这幽暗世界的，以及天空属灵气的恶魔征战。所以要拿起神所赐的这副军装，好在磨难的日子抵挡仇敌，并且成就了一切，还能站立得住。我觉得这些经文你可以自己看在以弗所书第6章。我觉得上帝要来帮助你来面对你现在面临的事情，还有你很认真专注在不管是努力投注的 事情上面，或者是你正在努力对抗的事情，我觉得上帝说他要成为你的力量，在这个新的一年当中，要让你穿戴属灵的军装，让你可以面对许多的挑战，而且可以胜过。要知道，不是你自己在征战，而是上帝和你一起在征战。祝福你们生日快乐，很爱你们，然后希望可以好好的一起相聚，等到有一天我们一起相聚，然后可以一起来庆祝我们就是家人的欢庆时刻。耶，好，爱你们，等你们回台湾，或是我去美国找你们，拜拜。
Happy birthday, Andy and Peter. I'm bummed that I don't get to celebrate with you guys this year, but I just wanted to send a little note. I miss you guys so much, and I'm just wanted to let you guys know that I'm just so proud of what you guys have done so far with your career, mentally, emotionally, whatever. You guys have been such a support system ever since we were all in high school, and I just want you guys to know that you guys are long life friends and that I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have such a good day and eat lots of cake. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Andy and Peter.
Happy birthday, Peter and Andy.
Happy birthday, Peter and Andy. I hope you have an amazing day. I'm so happy that you both are home and safe and with family to celebrate your special day. Eat lots of good food today and every day, of course. You're both killing it and doing amazing things. So I hope next year is the best year yet for you guys. Love you lots.
Happy birthday, Peter and Andy. We hope you're having a great day.
We love you guys, and we can't wait to celebrate with you in person sometime soon.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andy and Peter. Happy birthday to you.
We miss you. Love you guys. Have a good birthday.
Love you.
Bye.
Love you. Bye.
木平木安，生日快乐！然后要记得赶快存钱回台湾，或是付钱让我们去美国。然后祝你们生日新的1岁都可以更多经历上帝的爱，然后更多有超过你们能够想象的美好的事在你们生命当中发生。爱你们！
木平木安，好尴尬。生日快乐！然后我现在呢在上班，但这不重要。生日快乐！超级想要再见到你们的。然后祝你们新的一年，新的1岁，可以非常健康，而且可以很快乐，做什么事情都找到力量。我到底在干嘛呢？好啦，我知道你们几岁，因为你们就是小我1岁，只有琪琪不知道。大概就是这样。生日快乐，我爱你们。
Happy birthday. We love you. Oh, and hope you have the best day. Sorry you're quarantined, but we miss you and we'll celebrate soon. Love you both. Happy birthday, Jack. Say happy birthday. Okay.
嗨，木平安，生日快乐！希望你们在美国的日子一切都好，然后也一定要保护好自己的身体，然后祝福你在新的1岁里面能够经历更多恩典，然后让我们在之后也能够快快相聚，然后彼此分享自己的生活，然后彼此更多去分享有关于上帝在我们生命当中所放下的一切计划跟恩典，然后祝福你们在新的1岁里面，就是仍然能够有在生命当中有很多很不一样的经历，然后有很不一样的成长，然后期待我们下一次相聚能够彼此来分享。拜拜。
Hello， 木平木安，祝你们生日快乐！真的是非常的想念你们，期待你们可以赶快再来台湾玩，然后来找我们。然后我自己也很期望自己有一天可以去美国去找你们聚一聚。那现在在疫情的同时，其实我知道是非常的紧张的。 那当然很多时候也都会很担心你们在那边好不好，然后有没有什么样的状况。但是知道神一定会保守你们，然后一定在这当中也会有恩典。但是你们真的要非常的小心。那也真的期待你们在之后的生命当中，你们可以持续的荣耀神，然后为主做见证。然后在你们的生命当中，真的是要发光发热，成为更多人的帮助跟祝福。那期待你们可以再跟我们分享更多你们的故事哟。那祝你们生日快乐，拜拜。
OK，
看我的切多好。
好，小心桌子，好换人，生日快乐。你来就。